Hello, I'm Mohammed and welcome to our Ultimate Travel Guide 2024. Get ready to be transported to the sunny shores of Croatia, a land of ancient history, stunning natural beauty, and vibrant culture. We're going to journey together through the very best this Adriatic gem has to offer, from the fortified city walls of Dubrovnik to the cascading waterfalls of Plitvice. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first European adventure, Croatia has something to captivate everyone. So grab your travel journal, pack your bags, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey together. Our Croatian adventure begins in Dubrovnik, a city so steeped in history and beauty that it's earned the nickname the Pearl of the Adriatic. Imagine strolling along the ancient city walls built between the 13th and 16th centuries and gazing out at the azure waters of the Adriatic. These walls, once a symbol of protection, now offer breathtaking panoramic views and a glimpse into Dubrovnik's storied past. As you wander through the Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, you'll be transported back in time. The limestone streets, polished smooth by centuries of footsteps, lead you past grand Renaissance palaces, charming cafes, and the iconic Straton, the main promenade that pulses with life. For a truly unforgettable experience, take a cable car ride to the top of Mount Serene. From this vantage point, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of Dubrovnik's Old Town, the shimmering Adriatic Sea, and the Lavender Islands, scattered like emeralds in the distance. Dubrovnik is a feast for the senses, a city that will capture your heart and leave you longing to return. Our next stop takes us to the vibrant city of Split, a blend of ancient history and modern energy. At the heart of Split lies Diocletian's Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Built by Emperor Diocletian in the 4th century AD, it was a miniature city within a city. Today you can wander through its well-preserved corridors, marvel at intricate carvings, and see shops and restaurants nestled among historic stones. The Riva, Split's waterfront promenade, is a hub of activity where you can watch the world go by. Explore the bustling fish market, or lose yourself in the narrow streets of Velivaros. In the evening, Split comes alive with vibrant energy. Split has it all: history, culture, beauty, and zest for life. Prepare to be mesmerized as we journey inland to Plitvice National Park, a natural wonder that will take your breath away. Imagine a series of 16 cascading lakes, each one a different shade of turquoise, emerald, or azure, interconnected by a network of waterfalls, rapids, and streams. Wooden walkways and hiking trails wind their way through the park, allowing you to experience its beauty up close. Take a boat ride across the crystal-clear waters of Kozjak Lake, the largest and deepest of the Plitvice lakes, or hike to the top of Veliki Slap, the highest waterfall in Croatia, cascading down a dramatic 78 meters. Keep an eye out for the diverse wildlife that calls Plitvice home, including deer, wolves, bears, and over 120 species of birds. Plitvice National Park will leave an unforgettable mark on your soul. Next, we set sail for the island of Hvar, a sun-drenched paradise known for its fragrant lavender fields, glamorous beach clubs, and vibrant nightlife. As our ferry glides into Hvar Town Harbor, you'll be greeted by a picturesque scene, a Venetian-era town square lined with palm trees, terracotta rooftops cascading down to the azure waters of the Adriatic, and the scent of salt air mingled with the sweet fragrance of lavender. Hvar Town is a place to see and be seen, where sleek yachts bob in the harbor, chic boutiques line the narrow streets, and stylish cafes spill out onto the sun-drenched squares. Explore the 13th century walls that encircle the town, climb to the top of the Spanish fortress for panoramic views of the Pakleni Islands, or simply relax at a waterfront cafe and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Beyond Hvar Town, the island offers a wealth of natural beauty. Hvar is an island that has it all: glamour, relaxation, natural beauty, and a vibrant energy that will leave you wanting more. Our journey takes us to the enchanting town of Rovinj, a colorful tapestry of Venetian architecture and cobblestone streets. As you approach by sea, you'll be captivated by its iconic skyline, pastel-colored houses rising from the Adriatic, crowned by St. Euphemia's Basilica. The heart of Rovinj is its charming old town, a labyrinth of narrow streets and alleyways. Rovinj will captivate your senses and steal your heart. Our journey continues north to the city of Zadar, a fascinating blend of ancient history, modern art, and natural wonders. Zadar's history dates back to Roman times, and the city's rich heritage is evident in its well-preserved Roman ruins, medieval churches and Venetian-era fortifications. Start your exploration in the heart of Zadar's Old Town, a pedestrian-friendly zone where you can wander through narrow streets, discover hidden squares and admire the architectural treasures that line the way. Zadar is also home to two unique and captivating modern art installations, the Sea Organ and the Greeting to the Sun. The Sea Organ, located on Zadar's waterfront, is a series of pipes and whistles built into the steps that descend into the Adriatic. As the waves crash against the steps, they create a series of haunting and ever-changing melodies. Zadar is a city that seamlessly blends its rich history with modern innovation, creating a unique and unforgettable experience for visitors. Our next stop takes us south to the historic city of Pula, a place where you'll feel as if you've stepped back in time to the days of the Roman Empire. Pula is best known for its remarkably well-preserved Roman amphitheater, one of the largest and most impressive Roman monuments in the world. Imagine the gladiatorial contests, chariot races and public spectacles that once took place within the walls of this magnificent structure. Today, the Pula Arena, as it's known, hosts concerts, film festivals and other events, bringing history to life in a truly spectacular setting. Explore the city's charming old town with its narrow streets, colorful buildings, and lively cafes. Visit the Temple of Augustus, a well-preserved Roman temple dedicated to the first Roman emperor, and the Arch of the Sergii, a triumphal arch built in the 1st century BC to commemorate a Roman victory. Pula is a city that effortlessly blends its ancient past with modern life, creating a unique and unforgettable experience for visitors. Our journey continues to the island of Korčula, a place of stunning natural beauty, rich history and captivating legends. Korčula town, the island's main settlement, is a walled city perched on a small peninsula, its terracotta rooftops cascading down to the azure waters of the Adriatic. Legend has it that Korčula was the birthplace of the famed explorer Marco Polo, and while the claim is disputed, there's no denying the island's long and fascinating history. Explore the narrow streets of Korčula town, lined with medieval churches, Venetian-era palaces, and charming cafes. Be sure to visit the 15th century St. Mark's Cathedral, with its impressive bell tower and beautiful Gothic Renaissance facade. Korčula is also known for its excellent wines, particularly its white wines made from the indigenous posset grape. Visit a local winery and sample the island's wines accompanied by delicious local cheeses and olives. Korčula is an island that has it all: history, culture, natural beauty, and a unique charm that will stay with you long after you've left. Our journey takes us north to the historic city of Šibenik, a hidden gem nestled on the Dalmatian coast. Šibenik is a city of contrasts, where ancient history meets stunning natural beauty. The city's most iconic landmark is the Cathedral of St. James, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. Built entirely of stone between the 15th and 16th centuries, the cathedral's intricate facade is adorned with over 70 sculpted heads, each one unique. Step inside to marvel at the cathedral's soaring ceilings, beautiful stained glass windows, and serene atmosphere. Beyond the cathedral, Šibenik offers a wealth of historical and cultural treasures. Explore the city's well-preserved medieval core, with its narrow streets, charming squares, and historic buildings. Šibenik is a city that has it all: history, culture, natural beauty, and a unique charm that will stay with you long after you've left. Our Croatian adventure culminates in Zagreb, the country's vibrant capital city. Zagreb is a city that effortlessly blends its rich history with a modern, cosmopolitan spirit. From its charming upper town with its cobblestone streets, medieval towers, and historic churches to its bustling lower town with its grand avenues, elegant squares, and lively cafes, Zagreb offers a captivating mix of old and new. Begin your exploration in Zagreb's upper town, the historic heart of the city. Stroll along Tkalšisova Street, lined with cafes and restaurants, and visit St. Mark's Church with its colorful tiled roof. Don't miss the Zagreb Cathedral, the tallest building in Croatia and a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Zagreb is also a city with a thriving cultural scene. Visit the Museum of Broken Relationships, a unique and thought-provoking museum that explores the end of relationships through personal objects and stories. Zagreb is a city that will surprise and delight you with its unique blend of history, culture, and modern energy. And there you have it, our whirlwind tour of Croatia's most captivating destinations. From the ancient city walls of Dubrovnik to the cascading waterfalls of Plitvice, from the sun-drenched beaches of Var to the vibrant streets of Zagreb, Croatia has truly stolen our hearts. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.